Google just dropped Gemma 4, an open source AI that codes, run locally on your GPU, and it's completely free. No API, no cloud, no cost. Let me show you what it can do. Gemma 4 released from Google DeepMind. This is the 26 billion parameter vision. It uses a mixture of experts architecture, so it only activates 4 billion parameters at a time. That means it's fast, efficient, and fits on single GPU. It has 256,000 context window, supports native function calling, and it's Apache 2.0, fully open source. So let's set it up. I have a GPU here and let me show you the specs. So as you see, I am running this on RTX 3090 with 24 gigs of VRAM. This model only needs about 24 gigs, so a 3090 or any 24 GB GPU can handle it. So let's install Ollama and pull the model. So I am running this official Ollama curl command that will install Ollama. Okay, it is installed. Now I will start Ollama server in the background by running this command. Ollama is started in the background. Now let's pull the model from Ollama. So Ollama had Gemma 4 on day 1. So once the model is downloaded, we are ready to go. Alright, model is downloaded. Now I will just run this command, Ollama run Gemma 4 26B. Once you enter it, it will run the model within Ollama as you see. So that's it. Gemma 4 is running and it is fully responsive. You can see it is very fast and it simply replied my message hi. Now let's start with a real coding task. I am asking it to write a Python function that takes a list of URLs and returns their HTTP status codes concurrently using async IO. Include error handling and type hints. I'm going to hit enter and you look at the speed of the reasoning or thinking process. You see how fast it is thinking, and let's wait for some time and you see here is the complete implementation of that Python function that is ready. Just to show you, I will just copy the code in my editor. I will just open the file, my code.py, and look at the code that it just generated. So you can see it is clean async code, proper error handling, type hints. So you see that everything is running locally for free. Now let's give it a bug to find. So for that I just pasted this code and here I'm saying this function is supposed to merge two sorted arrays but returns incomplete results when arrays are different lengths. Find and fix the bug. So this is the code. So let's see if it is able to fix that. I just press submit and you see the speed of thinking process. The response starts from here, you see here. So you see that it has found the bug, explained why it fails and gave the fix. Again, it was locally, no API call, no cost. Now let's see if it can build something visual. I'm going to ask it to create a modern landing page using HTML, Tailwind CSS via CDN, include a hero section with gradient background, a features grid with 3 cards and a footer, dark theme, responsive, professional. So let's see what it makes. Submit that and look at the reasoning speed. It is thinking about every requirement I have submitted. And finally, here is the response. Let me save this and open in the browser. Let me select all. Let's go back to our editor. I'm gonna create new file index.html and let's paste it. So this is the code. It has created a well-structured HTML and Tailwind CSS code. It is properly commented, easy to read and understand. Let me start it in the browser. I will use this extension, open with live server, so it will immediately start. And look at this. A full landing page, dark theme, responsive, animated cards generated by Google's model running on my GPU. It is completely free. Once again, let me show you the responsiveness as well. So you see it is fully responsive and looking very professional. 5 months ago, this level of intelligence cost money and required cloud APIs. Today, Google open sourced a model that outperforms things 20 times its size, runs on a single GPU, has a 256K context window and supports native function calling for agentic workflows. That means you can also run it with OpenClaw, and you can use OpenClaw or any other agentic tool for free without paying anything. And it is Apache 2.0, so no restrictions. Use it commercially, build products with it, and it's one command to install with Ollama. Google Gemma for open source runs locally, free forever, one command to install, link in the description. If you want to see me build a full project with this model, or if you have any other suggestion or feedback, then please drop it in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.